Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your materials and products columns. On your materials page, you're going to click on the 3 points on the right side and select the last option of the drop-down, that is Customize Columns. You're going to be able to see the visible columns and the hidden columns. Reorder the visible columns, and you can also add an additional column. Click Save and you're going to see all the changes you made. Now let's go to your products page. The process of doing this is the same. The only thing that is going to change is the options of the hidden columns that you're going to have. So once again, you can reorder the columns and also add an additional column to your board. And this is how you can customize your columns in Inventora.